So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Berkshire Hathaway stock, ticker symbol BRK.B on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right and press on the search icon. As I mentioned, type in a ticker symbol BRK. So there's this one right here, Berkshire Hathaway Canadian Hedged. But you can also go down to where it says BRK.A or BRK.B. So for this demonstration, I would just go with BRK.B. Now once you're here, if you want to purchase this stock, go to the bottom left and press on the orange trade button, and then press on buy. Once you're here, you can change the session type. You can change the order type as well. So either a limit order or a market order, and then type in the quantity. So if you wanted to buy, 2 shares of this, for example, the price will be below. And if all looks good and you want to proceed, press on the green buy button and go through the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Berkshire Hathaway stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.